Welcome to the official launch of the Wealthy Islet. This is the baddest beachfront property in Lagos, Nigeria, located in the city of Abijo, Eko Akete. Now it's a beach-themed launch, and yes, I'm in the right outfit. It's going to be an absolute experience here. A lot of stakeholders are here, and we're going to have an amazing time. Let's show you what's happening on site.
Confident, and I am right here live at the Wealthy Islet.
My years of studying real estate, I have not seen this kind of package before. To enjoy a part of this beachfront reality, all you need to do is make a 3 million naira initial deposit, and you can spread your payments up to 12 months.